Hey there, I'm Ian Russnell with Compass, and we're here today at 14927 Kornblume in lovely Bodger Park in Hawthorne, California. We're here going to take a look at this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,734 square foot home on a 5,463 square foot lot. Let's take a look. Now this room is just fantastic. The spacious family room here is perfect for gatherings, a family and friends, or just watching the game. Thanks for joining us on our tour today of 14927 Kornblume Avenue here in lovely Bodger Park. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm Ian Russnell with Compass. We'll see you next time.